Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For the current problem, the bookmarks are stored in a file named Bookmarks in the Chrome profile, which is stored in the user data area. Example: C. Users, username, app data, local, Google, Chrome, user data, default, bookmarks. You can copy it to the new profile.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
To import bookmarks from most browsers, like Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Safari. On your computer, open Chrome. At the top right, click More. Select Bookmarks, import bookmarks and settings. Select the program that contains the bookmarks you'd like to import. Click Import. Click Done.
Take our lead.
If you just deleted a bookmark or bookmark folder, you can just hit Ctrl+C in the library window or bookmarks sidebar to bring it back. In the library window, you can also find the undo command on the Organize menu.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.